One says, how many 16ths are in 15 16ths? So we can rewrite that. The 16ths will divide out, and 15 divided by 1 is 15. We could also flip the second and change it to multiplication. These two divide out, and then we would have 1 and 1, and then 15 over 1 is the same as 15. 2 says, how many quarter teaspoon doses are in 7/8? So we can change this to be 7/8 divided by 2/8, because 1/4 is the same as 2/8. Or we can do the flip and multiply strategy. Remember, you only flip the second one. 4 and 8 both have a 4 in common. It goes into 4 once and into 8 twice. 7 times 1 is 7. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 fits into 7 3 full times, giving us 6. But we need one more to reach 7. For number 3, it says how many 2/3 of a cup servings are in 4 cups. Oops, that looks like a B, not a 3. So we can flip and multiply. Only the second one gets flipped. And remember, there is an invisible 1 underneath whole numbers. 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 2 is 2. The fraction bar means divide, so 12 divided by 2 is 6. Then it says in number 4, write a measurement division story for 6 divided by 3/4. When we're using measurement division, we are looking for how many groups of 3/4 can we make. So if we were to write a story problem, we might say something like, I have 6 feet of rope and want to cut them into 3/4 of a foot pieces. How many pieces? And how many groups can I make? For 5/12 divided by 1/6, we might say something about like making batches of cookie dough. I have 5/12 of a cup of sugar. Each batch needs 1/6 of a cup. How many batches, which means our groups, can I make?